In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart using Excel. A Gantt chart is a simple visual way to plan projects, track tasks, and see start and end dates along a timeline. The quickest path to a clean, professional result in Excel is to start from a built-in template, and that's exactly what we'll do. I'll walk you through where to go in Excel to find it, what you'll see on the way, and a few tips to make the search smooth and stress-free. First, open Excel and go to the File tab. You'll find it in the top left corner of the window. Clicking File takes you to the Home or Backstage area, where you can create new workbooks and explore templates. If you're on the web version, you'll still see a file option that leads to the same place. Think of this area as your starting hub. It's where new projects begin. If you don't immediately see template options, don't worry. You're in the right place as long as you're in the file view. Next, select More Templates. This opens the full template gallery rather than just the featured ones on the home screen. The gallery is searchable and organized by categories like business, project management, and calendars. Using a template saves time because the layout, formulas, and formatting are already built for you. It also helps you avoid common setup mistakes like misaligned dates or inconsistent bars on the timeline. If the gallery looks sparse at first, give it a moment to load. Templates are pulled from Microsoft's library and may take a second to appear. Now, look for Gantt chart. Use the search bar at the top of the template gallery and type Gantt chart. As results appear, you'll see different styles. Some focus on weekly timelines, others on monthly views, and some include progress percentages or color-coded phases. Open the preview to check the date scale and task layout so it matches the way you plan to work. If results don't appear right away, double-check the spelling, try Gantt, or even Project Timeline as an alternative term. Also make sure you're connected to the internet, since the template library pulls live options. Once you've found a Gantt chart template that fits your needs, you're all set to move forward with it and tailor it to your project. That's it. You've navigated to File, opened more templates, and searched for a Gantt chart in Excel's template gallery. From here, you're ready to start planning your project with a clear visual timeline.